If you've been waiting for the perfect time to grab the Apple Watch Series 10, now might be your best chance. Originally launched in 2024 as Apple's thinnest and most refined smartwatch to date, the Series 10 arrived with a stunningly bright LTPO3 OLED display, a brand new processor, and support for even faster charging. And now, 6 months after its release, this premium wearable is getting a massive $100 price drop for a limited time on Amazon, making it more accessible than ever. Normally starting at $399 for the 42mm GPS version with an aluminum case and $429 for the larger 46mm variant, you can now snag the 42mm model for just $299 in jet black, silver, or rose gold with comfortable sport loop, or go for the bigger 46mm model at just $329. Which comes with durable rubber sport band. But act fast because these deals won't last forever. Beyond its sleek and modern design, the Apple Watch Series 10 is packed with cutting-edge health and fitness features, including advanced sleep tracking, ECG recording, heart rate monitoring, and even the ability to detect sleep apnea, an incredibly useful tool for identifying potential health risks that could lead to serious conditions like heart disease, stroke, or high blood pressure if left untreated. For fitness enthusiasts, the Series 10 also includes a depth sensor and a water temperature sensor, making it an excellent choice for swimmers and snorkelers who want real-time insights into their underwater activities. And while the battery life remains at 18 hours, just like its predecessor, the improved fast charging means you can now get to 80% in just 30 minutes instead of the 45 minutes it took with the Apple Watch Series 9. Giving you even more convenience when you're on the go. Apple's seamless integration with iOS ensures that notifications, fitness tracking, and health data sync effortlessly with your iPhone, making it a must-have device for anyone looking to stay connected, active, and healthy throughout the day. With this limited-time $100 discount, the Apple Watch Series 10 is now an even better value, offering premium features and top-tier performance at a more affordable price. And whether you're upgrading from an older Apple Watch, switching from another brand, or buying your very first smartwatch, this is one of the best deals we've seen on Apple's latest wearable. But remember, this offer won't last forever, and availability may vary depending on color and model. So if you've been eyeing the Apple Watch Series 10, now is the time to act before the deal disappears. As always, we'll continue to keep you updated on the latest tech deals, leaks, and news. So be sure to subscribe to TechVerse and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a great offer. This is TechVerse, signing off.